Is it worth it? That's what we're here today in Frederick to try to find out with my buyers. Again, we're still looking for my out-of-town buyers. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and it is asking $600,000, and it just hit the market a couple of days ago. I think it's going to be pretty nice, so let's go take a tour and see if it's worth it. And the living room here, nice hardwood floors. Big open room. I like the coloring. It's nice. And you got steps downstairs. Let's see what we have over here. First floor master. And a big walk-in closet there to the left. And the master bath. Through the kitchen, there is the washer and dryer, garage access, and dining room. Swinging around to this side, 1 bedroom with really old carpet, some scuffs on the wall, windows look new. Hall bath. Nice tile work. And bedroom number 3. Good size. Hey, it's really cold out here. If you don't hit that like button, I might freeze. Thanks. Can't really make it out there because there's a foot of snow and ice, but there's a nice pool back there, little gazebo, walkout basement. And heading downstairs, there's a chairlift. Big open space. We got LVP flooring down here. Lots of natural light. Big walkout steps out to the pool. And back around here, we have a full bath. Full bath. Stand-up shower. And bedroom number 4. Great size. And what is back here? So for reference, there's the steps coming down. So what we got back here? Great storage space. And utility room back here. So there's your washer and dryer hookup. Laundry sink. There's actually 2 laundry sinks. Not sure how that came. Installed 2012, and that is a gas water heater. And we also have a gas furnace from 21. And more storage space here. There's your water lines, your electric panel. It is really cold out here. If you would hit that like button, it would sure warm me up. If you want to make this rec room bigger, we can easily pull this wall out and expand it back to even here, or even all the way up if you want to make this an even larger space. What do you think?